have no plans. You're gonna be live when we get back from the gym? Yeah, probably. But I'm gonna have to do my hair, so it's gonna take a while to do. And I have an American flag bikini I didn't have a chance to take pics in, so if it's sunny by then, I'm gonna try and get like the golden hour, put on the bikini, get oiled. Do they go crazy with fireworks downtown Portland like they do in LA? Probably not like they do in LA, but I'm sure they have some. I saw fireworks stands. Half of our state burns down like every year, so. My Roman candle just ignited. That's a good one, honestly. I'm gonna steal that from you. So? Ooh. Keep it up, you're looking leaner since I last saw you. When did you last see me? I know I'm trying to get more leaner, but I have not been hitting my protein goal. I've just been eating less. Like, whatever. Protein goal is so annoying. Hi, Tennessee. Happy 249th birthday of the United States of America. And I also have a camouflage bikini that I was thinking like maybe we could put on, but I don't know if that's really America. I think that's more of Army girl. America Army girl. What do you guys think? Is that American flag? Like, or is that patriotic enough? I'm making a yogurt bowl. Heck yeah. Okay. Thank you, Tiny Foxy. I want to get more of these cute outfits, these more cute shorts, so I can do fitness. Camo is American? Yeah. Yeah, maybe I will. Maybe I will, Rio. Hi, Brian. Happy 4th of July. Happy 4th of July, Eric Garcia. Thank you, Chris, for the Go Popular. Thank you, Miguel, for the rose. I like the shorts, thanks. I want to get more. They're Lulu? No, these are from Define. They have a bunch of cute colors in stock. What color should I get? I'm going to get light blue, I think. Then they have one that's like hot orange, like chili. It's called chili. You are F-I-N-E-Fine-A-F. Thank you, Tennessee. Yeah, I have my blue energy drink to be patriotic, and I have my blue nails. Thank you, Destiny. Oh yeah, someone asked about skier. Skier? I do know about skier. It's really good. What do you put in your yogurt? Granola, fruit, peanut butter. I put blueberries when I was gonna freaking cut up a peach. It's open up a peach. I wanted to cut up a peach. Forgot about the peach. Peach. Why not both? I can put in both. But it slipped my mind. Almost forgot the peach. Princess Peach. Happy Independence Day. Love you, Jason Kim. Thank you, Joe Bueno. I wish I had some motion today. If you get to go to a barbecue, be thankful. I go to no barbecue. Maybe we can go buy a hot dog today. Maybe we can find someone who's cooking a hot dog and buy one from them. Is there anywhere that's going to be open today that has hot dogs? Or like a street vendor? Where are the street vendors at? I don't think we have Sonic. I'm making ribs? No invite, Jason? Really? Wow, how rude. Peaches and blueberries. Mateo. I love that you know that. Hot dog place by Home Depot in Beaverton. That's pretty far from where I am. Maybe if we get down bad, we will. You have Wiener Schnitzel? No, we don't. I don't think. I was there that specific night. Bro, that makes you OG then. That specific night is so funny. Yeah, they are burrito eater. And guess what? I'm eating it with fruit and granola. Yo quiero empanada de carne. Sí. What? Safeway has hot dogs? Where? I don't know if our Safeways have hot dogs. I've never been in Safeway before. I go to Safeway a lot. I've never seen them have a hot dog thing. Like a hot dog rotator. Oh, I bet we go to 7-Eleven. I bet they have them at there. Duh. I was hoping street vendor. Yeah, I want like a bacon wrapped one. Some big bag. You ever do bananas with your yogurt? When I have bananas, yeah. Thank you, Burrito Eater. Your fit looks so cute today. Thank you. Sorry. Loud. Next to the chicken and whole ribs cooked, the hot dogs. I have to see if that's really true, because if that's true, that would be so clutch, because I live nearby Safeway. I like walking. So like we went to Safeway like 2 days ago. Now it's peanut butter. Peanut butter jelly time. I've never tried this one before. Do you guys drink these? Alani Nu? Nathan's hot dog? I'll Google it. Thank you, Deep Thoughts. Never tried this one before. You guys like Alani Nu? So a lot of fucking ingredients that I don't really understand. Thank you, on. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Thank you for the blooming ribbon. How much cows per can? They vary on the flavor.